What is up, guys? I'm IWrocker, and have you kind of noticed somebody's been missing from the truck game? That's right, I'm talking about GM, Chevy in particular, and I'm talking specifically off-roading. This is a very, very popular segment. It is heated up, and the truck wars, particularly in the off-roading game, are really, really ramped up right now. We have Raptor, has always kind of been the king, and then, we have trucks like the Rebel, the Power Wagon, the Tremor from Ford, and of course the Ram TRX, and a new Raptor supposedly coming next year with maybe a Shelby V8. And then we kind of have Chevy like, hi, I'm here in the back. We used to make a lot of awesome trucks, now we just are kind of in the background. Okay, it's not quite like that, but that's kind of how I perceive it personally, okay? Oh, and I'm not bashing on Chevy. I own 3 of them. But their off-road game, well, it's kind of weak. I will give them credit. They do have the Colorado ZR2. I do think that's a pretty cool truck. I've seen quite a few in person, and they do stand out. They got it going on with that truck. But full-size trucks, they don't. The Z71s are so overplayed now. They kind of used to be special, but they're kind of old news. And, the Trail Boss, I think it was kind of a disappointment when you look at the competition. It's not a disappointment. It's just underwhelming. And they don't have a really in-your-face, wow factor halo truck for off-roading. Like the Raptor or like the TRX or like the Power Wagon. They don't really have anything crazy going on. They should try and steal a spotlight. I'm just saying this for all of you guys, for all of us that love trucks, that love off-roading, that love competition. Why not sweeten the pot even more? We have the TRX that was just announced. It is changing the game right now. We have the Raptor that all of a sudden feels pretty threatened by, the bigger TRX and has to kind of make a move. So here is what GM needs to do right now. GM needs to man up, and they need to build at least like a half-ton Baja style truck. Screw the Trail Boss, screw the Z71. We need the Asteroid. Get it? Okay. Jokes aside, even though that is pretty clever, they need to come up with a truck right now. Okay, here's how you do it. They need to have a crazy suspension setup like the TRX, like the Raptor, hell, even like the ZR2 has for the Colorado. They need a Baja-style fast truck, and this segment is really hot. Everyone has always loved the Raptor. It's only gained in popularity over the last decade. Everyone seems to love the TRX, whether they admit it or not. Chevy has something that I would almost argue more than like maybe the other trucks. They have diehards. Chevy has all these diehard fans that have been fans since birth or for generations, whatever the story is. Plus, they could try and get a slice of this popular off-road market. They need to make a wicked fast, really rugged, really tough off-road truck. A real off-road truck. 35-inch tires is a must. Maybe beadlock wheels like the Ram. A rugged body, a Coke bottle shape, really wide fenders, really exaggerated cool colors. A very menacing stance and a very cool look up front. It's going to be hard. I mean, the Ram looks great. The Fords look pretty good. But the GMs just look weird. This generation, they just look super weird. They're going to have to really change the look of this thing. Make it look menacing. And most of all, they need power. They need to stuff that LT4 supercharged V8 from the Z06 in there. And if they're really man enough, they need to stuff the LT5, the supercharged V8 from the Corvette ZR1 in there. Do it, GM. You won't. Do it. Crazy suspension, crazy tech, cameras all around, wide-bodied, 35-inch tired, supercharged Corvette motor, Chevy, Trail Boss Extreme AT4 BS Mobile, whatever the hell it's going to be called. I don't care what it's called. That would be amazing, and they need to do it. They have the know-how. They have the money. They have the popularity. They need to do it. Where are you, Chevy? Where are you in this? You need to compete. That would be super sick. And you know what? It's just an idea. It's just my 2 cents. I think it would be super cool. I'm just really excited about the truck wars that are going on, and I know you guys think it would be awesome if GM kind of really entered the game now. That would be really cool. I don't think anyone else really would. I don't think Toyota will do this. Toyota just stays to what they know and keeps it pretty simple and what they're good at with the Tacoma and the Tundra. Honda, same thing. I mean, I don't see a supercharged V8 Honda Ridgeline anytime soon. I think they need to wake up a little bit. They need to do this. That would be really smart because I think it would actually sell. I think it would sell some units if they made an awesome, beefed up Baja half ton like Ram is doing, like Ford does with the Raptor. But that's just my opinion. What do you guys think? Leave your comments down below. Do you think GM was in its glory 10, 20, 30 years ago with trucks and it's kind of lost its edge? That's how I feel as I own, a 2005 and then 295 GM trucks. I don't feel like they're the same anymore. What do you guys think? Should they pump out an awesome Baja style truck to try and take out the TRX and the Raptor and totally blow everyone's minds with a blind haymaker out of left field? Tell me down below. Make sure to smash that thumbs up and subscribe. You know you want to. It's free. And like always, I'll catch you later.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust.